Hey guys, welcome back to your break number two. Break number two is going to consist of some shots because I think we need some shots. Okay, so we're going to build our official J4K shots. So what is that going to start with? You're going to see the result and why it's a J4K shot in a second, but for now let's build it. We're going to kind of layer this shot and you'll see why when you see the effect and the result. So the first thing you do is put an ounce of grenadine. You saw me do that, and then you want to fill up your cup with ice to the top. You want to do it a little carefully because you don't want the grenadine splashing around. It's going to kill the effect that you're about to see. If you don't have one of these fancy glasses, don't worry, it's going to be done in a pint glass. Okay, you just need one of these strainers, pretty easy to find. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a spoon and we're going to run the liquid over the spoon, which is going to make it not mix into that bottom part and stay on the top. And we're gonna put 2 ounces, and this is lemonade. You can also use sour mix. So that's your 2 ounces of lemonade. As you can already see, it's starting to layer there. Next, we're gonna put 2 ounces of your orange juice. Again, I'm running it right over the spoon so that it doesn't just sink down. Okay, so there's your 2 ounces of OJ. Now at this point, we can make this virgin. We can add 1.5 ounces of water. But this time, instead of representing the non-virgin one, we're gonna represent the virgin one, and we're gonna put the vodka. But as you know, at this point, instead of 1.5 ounces of vodka, it could be 1.5 ounces of water. You'll still get the same effect. So. Ounce and a half of vodka. And again, we want to run this down the spoon. And the vodka being thinner, we're going in order of thick to thinnest because we're actually layering this as we go. So now it's basically done. There's only one more ingredient, and it is kind of the harder part of the whole thing because you have to put this blue curacao in very quickly and pour it out because it's gonna want to sink, but you gotta pour it in and pour it out almost simultaneously. So I'm gonna demonstrate for you. It's not so hard, but it is the part that can mess this up. So 1/2 ounce is a 1, 2, and then quickly you want to get that blue out. And you'll see what happens from there. So what makes this the J4K shot is that, like the shot glasses represent the cloud, the actual shot is the spirit of Java and Kubernetes seamlessly coming together for a result of a very smooth and easy to drink shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one down here where the liquor isn't so much. Again, that's smooth and easy. And it was pretty fast to create this, sleight of hand thing that we did here. And it's not so hard to recreate. Pretty cheap ingredients and so forth. You can do it at your home bar. So there's your J4K official shot. And of course, this wouldn't be a break if we didn't play with fire. And like I said, we're gonna get an order of safe to not so safe as we add a bottle to the mix. All right, guys, enjoy the conference. I'll be here waiting for you. Next, we are gonna make my favorite drink, a Ramos Gin Fizz. You're not gonna wanna miss that. So enjoy your next speaker, and I'll be here waiting for you on the next break.